Where are we off to this weekend?
Tarong ulitin. Nagulat ako. Hindi ako magaling sa ganyan sa lewa.
Take two. Where are we off to this week?
Vancouver for my 50th birthday.
Starting the morning with my signature airport breakfast. And it's only been 2 weeks since my last visit, but off we go back to Vancouver. Here I am having a second breakfast full of sugar. So we landed safely in Vancouver. And we took the SkyTrain from the Vancouver airport to Waterfront. We checked in at the Exchange Hotel, which just so happened to be a former stock exchange. And it was still too early to shop, so we stayed at Tim Hortons for a little bit, where I saw the most disgusting rotisserie chicken on a baby seat. Here's a quick little outfit shot in the bathroom before we leave. I'm wearing a For Livin' Lemons top. My pants are the Melina pant from Aritzia, and then my coat is from Topshop. I also went to Uniqlo, where I accidentally stumbled upon these Skims Cozy Knit dupes. Obviously for a fraction of the price, and I would say the colors are also very comparable. They had pink, navy blue, and black available. I don't know about you guys, but there's nothing more comforting to me than a bowl of hot noodles on a rainy day. We then headed back to the hotel, and my mom and I went downstairs to get some hot chocolates from Lindt. This fountain here reminded me a lot of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Patitingin na ka rito.
Okay.
Iba pa?
Okay, this is take 2 again. Okay, hello. So it's much later in the day. Lots of time in between the vlogs where I didn't actually film anything because I am honestly a little bit paranoid now. My phone almost got stolen, like grabbed out of my dad's hand today. So basically what happened was my mom and I were taking photos on the street, and this homeless man came up to my dad and almost snatched up my phone, like from my camera. So my dad took an accidental screenshot, and that was what happened. But all is well, my phone is good, and I'll insert the photos here from before that happened. Right now my mom and I are just having hot chocolates at Lindt, and we're just chilling before more food comes this evening. So and how cute are my parents? For dinner, we went to Mikasa, and I got a spicy margarita. My mom got regular. My dad and I both ordered some birria tacos. And my mom isn't the biggest beef eater, so she got chorizo. And the morning of my mom's birthday, we woke up to some rain, of course. And we stopped by Cafe Artigiano for some almond croissants and Americanos. We went back to the hotel to go get ready and came out to this gorgeous sunshine. And since our hotel was so close to Canada Place, we decided just to take some pictures before our lunch reservation. Happy birthday to you! For my mom's birthday lunch, we went to Miku. And this was literally the view right out of our table. Got these complimentary scallops as our amuse-bouche. And I somehow had the best miso soup of my life.
From here, Miku roll, Sokkai salmon, snow crab, cucumber, roll in Tobico, French Miku sauce on top, garden roll, Sunday salmon roll with pickle zucchini.
I also enjoyed that our food was so thoroughly explained to us by our servers. I think that just made this dining experience so much better. The birthday girl ordered a raspberry cheesecake and sesame ice cream. And this is what it takes to get the perfect shot. We were so stuffed after lunch that we decided to walk it off and also show my dad around Gastown. And I finally found Café Kitsuné, so you know I had to get something. I got an oat milk latte, obviously. And since we had time to kill before our flight back, we decided to go to Holt Renfrew. I'm currently obsessed with Miu Miu. And this knitwear has my initial on it, so how could I not love? And Acne Studios is another one of those brands that I have loved and worn forever. I left Holt Renfrew empty-handed, could you imagine? But no big purchases for me right now. Although we did head back to the hotel just to pick up our luggage to finally head back to the airport and go back to reality. Also made the discovery that there was an observation deck just right above the food hall. Got a mango hurricane from Booster Juice. And here's me going down the escalator mere moments before I flashed everyone at security. On the flight, I was watching some friends. We encountered some turbulence. And now we're back in Calgary. Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope this decade is your best one yet. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!